Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show an overview of the latest version of Manjaro Linux with the KDE Plasma desktop environment, and some of the applications pre-installed. Manjaro Linux is a fast, user-friendly, desktop-oriented operating system based on Arch Linux. Manjaro KDE Plasma Edition is for people who want a user-friendly and customizable desktop environment. Powered by KDE Plasma, the feature-rich and versatile desktop environment provides several different styles of menu to access applications. Present is the excellent built-in interface to easily access and install new themes, widgets, etc., from the internet. Also, it features Manjaro's own Dark Plasma theme as well as the latest KDE Plasma apps and frameworks. Key features include an intuitive installation process, automatic hardware detection, stable rolling release model, ability to install multiple kernels, special bash scripts for managing graphics drivers, and extensive desktop configurability. Manjaro Linux offers Xfce as the core desktop options, as well as KDE, GNOME and a minimalist net edition for more advanced users. Community-supported desktop flavors are also available. Manjaro comes with both a CLI and a graphical installer. The rolling release model means that the user does not need to upgrade or reinstall the whole system to keep it all up to date in line with the latest release. Package management is handled by Pacman via the command line, and front-end GUI package manager tools like the pre-installed PAMAC. It can be configured as either a stable system or bleeding edge in line with Arch Linux. The repositories are managed with their own tool called Boxit, which is designed like Git. Manjaro includes its own GUI settings manager where options like language, drivers, and kernel version can be simply configured. Certain commonly used Arch utilities such as the Arch build system are available but have alternate implementations in Manjaro. Manjaro Architect is a CLI net installer that allows the user to choose their own kernel version, drivers, and desktop environment during the install process. For GUI-based installations, Manjaro uses the GUI installer Calamares. Manjaro Linux was first released on July 10, 2011. Manjaro Linux uses systemd as is init software and supports BTRFS, X3, X4, JFS, RicerFS and Xfce file systems. For package management, Manjaro Linux uses Pacman. Here you can see the commands to install software from the command line using the Pacman package manager. For self-contained applications, Manjaro Linux uses Snap and Flatpak. Manjaro Linux includes the version 5.10.49 of the Linux kernel. Some of the default applications of this release of Manjaro Linux are Firefox, Thunderbird, Steam, Audacious, VLC, GIMP and Timeshift. Let me know your thoughts about Manjaro Linux in the comments section below. Thank you for watching the video, and please help the channel by sharing, leaving a like and subscribing.